Tell the story of the Iliad. What caused the anger of Achilles?
Okay, so the Iliad began of a contest who was the most beautiful. It was three gods. I forgot one god, but I remember the two of them. It was Venus and Minerva. I never forget Venus since she was the one who won, since she was actually the most beautiful. She was the god of beauty.
Mm-hmm.
And I never forget Minerva since she's my favorite woman god. She's my favorite goddess since she's the goddess of wisdom. And being the goddess of wisdom, she promised if she would win to the judge, who was a poor shepherd named Paris. If she won, she told Paris she would promise him wisdom. The other god I forgot. Was it a golden apple or something? But Venus promised the most beautiful woman. And she chose Venus since he wanted the most beautiful woman. And then something, because of their getting together, a war broke out. There were many stories of how the Greek heroes who joined this war came about. But one of my favorites was how Achilles came. Achilles' mother, Thetis, who was associated with the river, hid her son and made him a princess. Yes, a princess. She made him wear girl clothes, shave off his beard, make his hair long. The other heroes wanted him badly since they knew he was a great warrior. Especially since the Myrmidons was with him. And he was going to be hurt in this war, and his mother knew that, so he hid him. But Ulysses, the craftiest of them all, but one of the most unwilling to come, managed to find Achilles. He pretended he was a merchant. He went to the palace where Achilles was supposedly to be staying and sold things for girls. But he mixed with his weapons, axes, arrows, wonderful swords, and of course Achilles, being a boy, instead of choosing the girly things, he went for the weapons, thus giving out his true identity. Then they set out at once. What caused Achilles' anger was that there was another Greek hero who got a spoil. It was a maiden, and I think, from what I remember, Achilles had one too. And this maiden was the daughter of a priest of another god. This made that god angry and sent curses to the Greeks. So they planned to give that Greek hero's maiden back. But he did not want to lose a maiden. So they forced Achilles, from what I remember, to give the maiden to that Greek hero. This made Achilles angry, and he withdrawed his army. They were downhearted, and so was Thetis. She was angry that his son had been dishonored like that. So there was twice that Achilles was angry. And I'm just gonna tell the other one too. So she asked one of the gods to send curses to the Greeks so that they will suffer loss the moment Achilles went away. And then they got sad. They thought that it was because of Achilles going away. So Achilles' good old friend Patroclus borrowed Achilles' myrmidons and Achilles' armor and went to fight. Nobody dared to stand except Hector. And Hector did manage to defeat Patroclus, not being as great a warrior. Because Patroclus not being as great a warrior as Achilles lost. And this, when Achilles heard that Patroclus was dead, he became very angry and sad. Now this is the second time. His mother consoled him by giving him a greater armor, since his original armor was stolen by Hector and taken for his. And his mother asked Vulcan to make an armor stronger than what Achilles lost. With his armor, his shield, and his new weapons, he managed to kill Hector. And that's all.